Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Samathan and I am going to tell you how you can enable and disable the story archive on your Facebook application. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to update your Facebook application to its latest version, then you can follow the steps. Okay, now when you update your application, just go ahead and open up your Facebook application. Now at the top right corner you can see the 3-line menu button. Just tap on it. Now scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now tap on the Settings option, and when the settings page loads up, scroll down until you see the story options and the story settings. So control how your stories are shared, archived and highlighted. Story settings, choose who can see your stories and manage your story archive. Just click on this option. And now there are 4 things you can do. Either to control the story privacy, story archive, highlights and stories you have muted. So to enable and disable the story archive, just tap on the second option, story archive. Save your stories automatically after they disappear. So here we are, save stories to archive. Turn on archive to save your stories automatically after they disappear. Only you can see your story archive. So by default, this option is enabled when you install or update your Facebook application. So to disable it, you can hit the toggle off to disable the story archive. To enable it again, just click to enable it. And that's it. That's how you can enable and disable the story archive on your Facebook application. So if it's enabled, all your stories will be available in one place. So I'm going to show you that. So let's go back. Now tap your profile picture. Tap on the more option in your profile, and there is the third option, story archive. Just tap on it, and here are all your stories archived. So all your stories, when they disappear after 24 hours, it will be available here if the option is enabled as I showed you previously. That's how you can enable and disable the story archive and view them later if you want to. So that was it for today guys. I really hope this video helps. Thumbs up to the video, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.